Today I am reviewing the Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus kit. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with what truly matters, performance. At the core of the Jackery 2000 Plus kit is an impressive 3000-watt inverter, capable of handling heavy-duty devices like air conditioners, electric ovens, full-size refrigerators, sump pumps, and even power tools. Paired with a 6,128 watt-hour battery, this kit provides enough juice to keep your essentials running for hours or even days, depending on your usage. But what really sets this system apart is its expandability. Right out of the box, you get 2 expandable battery packs. These aren't just auxiliary batteries. They're robust LiFePO 4 units built for safety, longevity, and reliability. With additional battery modules, this system can be expanded all the way to 12 kilowatt hours. And if you really want to go big, 2 Explorer 2000 Plus stations can be connected in parallel, giving you up to 24 kilowatt hours of capacity, 6,000 watts of output, and even 240V of power delivery. That's whole home backup capability. Now let's talk charging speed. Thanks to Jackery's dual input system, you get up to 1,800 watts of AC input and 1,000 watts of solar input. In real-world terms, this means the Explorer 2000 Plus can charge from 0 to 80% in just 1.3 hours via wall outlet, or about 1.6 hours with 6 Solar Saga 200W panels under full sun. If you're living off-grid or preparing for natural disasters, this ultra-fast recharge time is an absolute game-changer. Now, you might be thinking, what about noise and portability? Here's the good news. The entire system operates at just 30 decibels. That's quieter than a whisper. No noise, no gas, no smell, just clean, silent power. It's perfect for indoor use during outages, or for campers who love peace and nature. At 145 pounds, this isn't feather-light, but the modular nature means you can move it in parts. Plus, you'll never have to pull a gas generator starter cord again. When it comes to build quality, the Jackery 2000 Plus doesn't cut corners. It uses advanced LiFePO 4 battery cells, known for their long cycle life and thermal stability. We're talking over 4,000 charge cycles with minimal degradation. And with Jackery's proprietary Charge Shield technology, battery lifespan is boosted by up to 50% compared to other brands. The Smart Shallow charging mode further optimizes battery health over the long haul. Let's not forget safety. This system has shock resistance, fire protection, and a 30% more efficient cooling system that keeps the internal components at safe operating temperatures, even under heavy loads. You can rest easy knowing this unit was designed for safe and continuous use, whether indoors or outdoors. Another bonus? It qualifies for the 30% federal solar tax credit, helping you save significantly when used as a residential solar system. Just consult your utility provider to make sure you meet the eligibility criteria under the Residential Clean Energy Credit Program. In the box, you'll get the Explorer 2000 Plus base unit, 2 expandable battery packs, 2 Solar Saga 200W panels, all connection cables, and a detailed user manual. Jackery even backs the whole system with a 5-year warranty and responsive customer service, making this a risk-free investment for long-term energy independence. The Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus kit, 6 kilowatt hours, is a premium, high-capacity solar power solution that blends performance, safety, and flexibility in one sleek package. Whether you're a homeowner preparing for blackouts, a van lifer going fully off-grid, or a contractor needing clean job site power, this is hands down one of the best all-in-one solar generator kits on the market. If you're serious about energy security, sustainability, and silent operation, this is the system for you.